We'll be going through some details on the construction of this unit. As you can see, there are dual handles. The trigger is at the top. In addition, there are 4 casters. Unlike some units that provide only 3, this will provide additional assistance and stability. Underneath the unit, you'll notice that there is a stabilizer bar that goes almost across the entire unit. This provides stability when you are using the system. This prevents any unnecessary vibration, provides extra control when using the system. In addition, we have parts readily available if you need to replace any of the nozzles or any of the other parts of the stainless steel surface cleaner. They do come in 3 sizes: 24-inch, 21, and 18.